to talk to you today about gene engineering. What do you know about gene engineering? Gene engineering is manually making changes to the DNA of humans, animals, and plants to a desired result. Is this right? Many people agree and disagree. But first, you need to know why they perform gene engineering, the effects of it, and the cost. Why? Couples were willing to pay $50,000 for an egg that had the traits of being 5 feet tall, 10 inches, white, and scored a 1400 on their SATs. People want athletes, and this was discovered in the 1990s when they tried it on mice, and they saw that it increased the muscle mass of the mice. Also, farmers want to alter genes in their cattle for competitions so that their cattle could be bigger and have a better posture, as you see in this picture. The cow on the left is a regular cow, and the cow on the right is one that's been genetically engineered. As you can see, it's bigger and it has a lot more muscle. Another thing is, this is also done to food to make it bigger and make it taste better. 75% of food on store shelves have been genetically engineered. This is done by manipulating the genes using biotechnology. Some good effects about gene engineering is it can make food taste better, it gives it more nutrition, growth rates increase, can change humans and animals' traits to make them faster, bigger, stronger, and smarter. They do gene engineering to change diseases in people so that later in life they might not get it at all. And if they do, it might be less severe. We can make new species to survive in places that we can't. It could give us to have better healing, strength, speed, and even make us smarter. Some bads about gene engineering is that it's not fully understood yet, so they might make a mistake. They might have a complicated life if people know their genes have been altered. It may go uncontrolled if there's no limit, or if no one is in control. In treating one defect, it might cause a defect in another gene. It can cause more allergic reaction to us consumers if the food is bad. Some cost about gene engineering is, like I said earlier, $50,000 for one egg. You could also pay with your life because gene engineering is not 100% and a mistake could cause death. It could cost up to $500 million for one new cell for animals, as I showed you with the cattle. Well, I hope I've led you to understand more about gene engineering. There are many opinions and debates on whether it's bad or good. But first, you should have knowledge on why gene engineering is performed, the effects of it, and the cost. Here are my references.